We're going to tell the story of when Anna caught her kitchen on fire.
And I'm reenacting Anna. Actual dramatization.
Okay. So, one evening, I wanted to make some french fries. So, I got the oil in the pan. Stop laughing already.
Sorry.
And I turned it on. And while it was warming up, I decided that I wanted to go play with Sammy, who was just a little puppy at the time, while the grease was warming up. And keep in mind, I have not used grease in years. I have not cooked anything in oil in a long time. So, anyway, so I was playing with the puppy, and then all of a sudden I smelled something. I said, oh, I forgot about the grease. So I ran inside the kitchen, and it was smoking, so it scared me, so I turned it off really fast, and I picked it up, and as soon as I picked it up, it lit on fire. And that scared me, but I put it back down really fast, and then I was just standing there watching it, like, what do I do, what do I do? And it started melting the top of the microwave that was right above it, and it started freaking me out, and then I ran around the kitchen, and I was still thinking, what do I do? And I said, oh, I know, water. Water gets fire out. So I got a pitcher of water, and I threw it on top of the stove, and flames went, and the smoke went all the way to the ceiling, and it scared me, and then I really panicked. I was like, what do I do, what do I do, I need to get out of here. And so I saw the lawnmower keys on the cabinet, and I grabbed them, and I ran outside. And then I was looking at the house like, well, it's going to burn down. It's going to burn down. And then I decided, no, I can't let the house burn down. I have to go inside the house and put out that fire. I can't let this win. So I went back in the house, and by this point the microwave was really melted, and that scared me. And so I was like, I need to call somebody. And so I tried to call Mom, and I couldn't think of her number, and I was too panicked, and I couldn't find the number. So then I was like, oh, I'll just call Alex, because his name was at the top of the list. So I called Alex, and I was so panicked that I couldn't even make a sentence. I was like, oil, fire, stove, and I couldn't eat, and I was breathing weird. And he said, you have an oil fire on your stove? Yeah. He's like, get a wet towel and throw it on top of it. Okay. And so I went and got a towel, and I put some water on it, and then I threw it on the stove, and it went out. And then I fell on the floor. And that's what happened. Lesson learned.